Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. This is like pure ambush and pure ambush cooking and manufacturing. Hayi ubaloyi Shem will never stop, eh? And uzokhuluma into eyiningi ubaloyi, you'll be telling us about so many things, eh? Ezingangeni nowhere. Ukhosi wakhe is back again and usafuna ukubiza abanye futhi base-SAPS. Were they in the house? That's the question every time, for me. Witnesses after witness. Everyone, guys, is coming to that court. Now in Jungabizo umuntu on the streets to come. It's just crazy. Gideon Host has brought the information about the accused talking to each other. How about their voices? Can we play their voices on the... I don't know how we can do that. But how does he know they were speaking to each other and those are their phone numbers? Because accused number one was like in a was like, if low phone and gas, I've never had that phone in my life. So basically, they are cooking information, and Baloyi is actually bringing employees to come and lie for him there in court. He's tried everything, Baloyi, guys. He's sabotaging us right now. Akafuna to keep information yoke sifuna unqumala almost daily, guys. Is like to Judge Rata, where is the information that I've been waiting for? Where is the information that I've been waiting for? To a point where I cannot even cross-examine abantu bam because nangumuntu ungivimbile. And we uyayenza lento yakhe ubaloyi, and he continues again today. And Rata uyam entertain. Like he's always entertaining him. Like I really don't get it. Look, this is crazy. To a point where Angita Kumula on Tuesday, what did Mngomezulu say? Mngomezulu was like, bruh, this is now an unfair trial, basically. What are you even doing? It was hot, like fire. Yes. But see, what I've noticed about Mshololo, she doesn't want to fight anymore. About my argument, she's not that person anymore. She was just saying, Mshololo, you know what, Lokuzana is not being truthful. What was so dishonest? What Ubaloyi, you know, English is not our language. What has that got to do with anything, guys? Why would you be using dishonest? How are we dishonest? But guys, like, what has that got to do with anything? And Urata Umiegil, Mshololo said, no, he's not being truthful. One gen Urata was Urata ene. Is that sarcasm? Why sarcasm was from Ubaloyi though? Hi guys, Ubaloyi Shem is getting away with a lot of things, eh? Yeah, I promise you, the state is getting away with a lot of things, eh? But creator is into Lama phone numbers, guys. They were cooked. These phone numbers, they don't exist. Those guys, they saying the accused 5 are like, we don't know these phone numbers. We've never had these phones. We don't know what these people are talking about. You can ladder them from Vodacom or do whatever you want to do, but these are not ours. It's as simple as that. And then and the Umshololo didn't even finish, guys. Kodwa ubesekhuluma ubaloyi. Engene Umshololo emlomeni. Is that even fair though? Zulu wangenelela actually before Mngomezulu athi Umshololo, like if I'm gonna be receiving stuff 11 o'clock in the evening, what must happen? Overnight I'm gonna read those things. And then angenelele advocate Mngomezulu, Thulani Mngomezulu, he was like, this is ambush. And he was shouting, guys. He wasn't just talking. I normally don't hear him shouting, that guy. But today he was shouting. I was like, this is total ambush. Like, how is this even going to work? They're busy producing other things. And at the trial, within a trial, we were allowed to add stuff. Now he wants to add affidavit or Kosi in the middle of nowhere that is just decided to no man as add anything in number city, Valley, or accused number, all the accused actually were talking to each other. It's like, how do you do that in the main trial? You can't do that. So basically, this is an unfair trial and it's ambush. Don't give Mngomezulu. Mngomezulu was like, please, when I don't come here. Agabori Ubaloyi, guys, it like he boss me to another level that you've never seen. Ubaloyi is actually a liar, guys. Advocate Munyeki, esemqambela amanga lo advocate lo osebenzisana nomshololo sethi ena ukhona information that he came to consult with him. If you know information, advocate Munyeki, and you can tell actually ukuthi uyamsaba Urata. What anyhow, I know that's not the truth. I didn't go to this guy, I mean. looking for information, or to just write, oh, okay, wavele dlalela phansi u-advocate Munyeki wabantu, ngoba uyambona ukuthi uyamsaba uRacha. Angithi uRacha last week uthe kuyena, wena, you can't just come to the court and just sit nje the whole day and do nothing when uMshololo wasn't there. I was just like, wow, guys. So uBaloyi actually, guys, uyibully. uBaloyi ubullisha wonke umuntu there. The state actually is like they police those people. It's like, listen, you'll get the information when we want, when it suits us, whenever we want. Like, the life that you are living now as defense. I'm in society in the defense. Me, I'm very clear about the side, which side. Angikho nje ku-state namanga noginindi uginindinda information yakhe futhi le ifuna uMshololo ayiphumi, guys, ayiphumi, because uBaloyi is like, Gininda, what must I do? Gininda is like, please don't give those people anything until I tell you sisahlanganisa noKhosi how are we gonna put this thing, and they wanna postpone nalo Khosi wabo futhi uKhosi uGideon nangibhizi ngithi uGideon. You know, ayi guys, uMshololo yena u-advocate Zandile Mshololo yena bekhulumela her colleagues basically. So they're coming back on the 6th, on Monday, instead of the 13th. The 13th, and that's when Khosi comes back. He can't be available next week. And he was pushing Ubali, he must come next week. And he was like, no, I've got other plans for next week that are personal, which have nothing to do with you guys. So I'm coming back on the 13th. And then Mgomezulu won't be there on Monday, which is fine. It's just one day. He's coming back on Tuesday, guys. Finally, case yethu iqhubeke, guys. Sibona ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Although siyafana nje no food, it's like we're not a tortoise. It's like we have no direction. Akukho la siyakhona ukubona, but uyasiphela mandla. We're not giving up, guys. We have to push until kubonakala ukuthi ene kahle way exactly is this justice, you know. Sikhathele thina lobele kuthiwa athi uJudge right, no, I'm doing this for justice. No, guys. Senzo may you deserve, guys, this justice. We need to push this. Thank you so much, guys.